Here's step-by-step skincare routine to get rid of clogged pores. Hi Ykies, welcome back again. Clogged pores can be bothersome, but there are several methods you can try to help unclog them. Remember to consult with a dermatologist before starting any new skincare routine. Please subscribe this channel first. Support me to keep creating informative content about tips, beauty, and personal care. Here are some ways to tackle clogged pores. Pore strips. Exemplified by Bior Deep Cleansing Pore Strips are adhesive strips designed to eliminate debris like hair, bacteria, oil, and dead skin from the skin's surface. Applied wet, left for 5 to 10 minutes, then peeled off and rinsed with warm water, they offer a quick solution for clearer skin. However, dermatologists caution against their use, suggesting they may not deeply cleanse and could strip essential oils, particularly for sensitive skin types. Before use, it's wise to consult a dermatologist, especially if you have allergies or sensitivity, to ensure they align with your skincare needs. While pore strips offer convenience, understanding potential drawbacks and individual skin requirements is vital for effective skincare. Charcoal masks, featuring the trendy ingredient activated charcoal, have surged in popularity for their perceived ability to extract dirt, pollution, and toxins from pores. Available in facial cleansers, scrubs, and masks, these products offer diverse application methods. Some masks harden, allowing for a satisfying peel-off experience, while others require rinsing with water. However, caution is urged, especially with DIY charcoal masks comprising charcoal powder and glue. Dermatologists discourage their use due to potential adverse effects. To enjoy the benefits of charcoal masks safely, it's recommended to follow the specific product instructions and steer clear of homemade concoctions. As with any skincare regimen, understanding the product's composition and adhering to professional advice ensures a positive and healthy experience. I've got a free Glow Tips bundle planner including skincare tips for each skin types, checklist skincare routine, hygiene routine, and daily workout routine, everything you need to become glow up. Don't miss out. Check the description and grab your free download now. Baking soda. Ever thought about using baking soda as a DIY deep pore cleanser? It's surprisingly effective and super easy. Just mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with a teaspoon of water to make a paste. Use your fingers to gently massage it onto your face in circular motions. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with a lukewarm face cloth. Finish up with your favorite serum and moisturizer. Why does it work? Well, besides getting rid of dead skin cells and unclogging pores, baking soda also helps balance your skin's pH level. And trust me, that's a big deal. If your skin's pH is out of whack, it can lead to acne, dryness, and even premature aging. So, this DIY hack isn't just about scrubbing, it's about keeping your skin happy and healthy. Give it a try. Do a chemical peel. Alright, here's the lowdown on getting those pores to look smaller and giving your skin a fresh boost. Dr. Wu spills the beans on the power of at-home chemical peels. You can use most of these over-the-counter peels every 2 weeks, or even weekly, depending on the type and how deep they dive into removing those pesky dead skin cells. Now, the magic behind these peels lies in alpha or beta hydroxy acids, aka AHA or BHA. They're like the superhero duo for your skin. Not only do they kick out dead skin cells, but they also unclog those pores and kickstart collagen production. Keep an eye out for glycolic acid, a cool cat in the AHA crew, and salicylic acid, the MVP of BHA. And guess what? You don't have to go all in with peels if that's not your vibe. Daily skin heroes like toners, serums, and treatments also pack these acids in smaller doses. So, whether it's a weekly peel or a daily routine, these hydroxy acids could be your ticket to pores that look as good as new. Use retinol. Let's talk about the skincare superhero that goes by the name retinol. This stuff is like the Swiss Army knife of skincare, tackling both acne and wrinkles like a champ. So, what's the deal? Retinols are essentially vitamin A derivatives, available over the counter or in prescription strength. Much like hydroxy acids, they're your go-to squad for clearing out dead skin cells, busting open those clogged pores, and unveiling a fresh, radiant complexion. But that's not all. Retinol is also on a mission to boost collagen production, the secret sauce for keeping your skin smooth and supple. Now, here's the pro tip. Apply your retinol serum or moisturizer at night. Why? Because it can crank up your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Start slow, a thin layer twice a week, and work your way up to daily use. Be cautious, though. Retinol might stir up a bit of skin irritation initially. Consider it a small hurdle on the path to skincare greatness. Preventive measures. All right, let's talk about some preventive measures to keep your skin game strong. First off, make friends with a daily skincare routine. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Look out for face washes that flaunt labels like won't clog pores or non-comedogenic. They're like the superheroes of clean faces. Remember to bid farewell to your makeup at the end of the day. It's like giving your skin a fresh start. Exfoliating is the secret sauce here. It helps clear away the old to make room for the new, radiant skin. And here's a nugget of wisdom. Hands off the face. Seriously, avoid the temptation to touch. It might feel innocent, but it can transfer oil and dirt right into those precious pores. So, let's make these simple steps a daily habit, and you'll be on your way to a skincare routine that's pure gold.